Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome. I hope you are well and you are doing well. Taking I have come for to you a new video and you must watch to me my dear friends if you want to do well, if you want to learn well, if you want to change yourself. My dear friends, what become to my entire life, what we are doing in your days, what we are working and what we want to achieve in my life. B. When we consider and when we are thinking, taking of my future, taking of my ambition, we are doing work to get of my ambition who we want in my life. If you want to achieve something well, if you think that you are well and you can change, you can gain well in your life, then you can do, my dear friends. So this is my problem, my situation we are passing. If we are if we want to change myself, we have to work at myself. If we want to gain something well, if we want to achieve something, we have to do work and we have to do lot of struggle taking of my future if we want to change. So my dear friends, if you as for me and you think that how you can change, how you can do, how you can make better from the another people, you can watch lot of people at the social media. There is no one well to you, but they are giving knowledge, they are providing to you, they are providing to you knowledge of his best. My dear friends, if you are thinking, you must start where are you and what you can do. If you are thinking in your poor language, you must start now. Till that you will till that you will run behind of people, behind of person. I think you can do well, you can gain well, but you have to need know, you have to need know, recognize yourself, recognize your potential, recognize your activity and talent, what have you and what you can do in your life. You must know that at this talk. So I am doing and we think that we can do well, we can learn well and we can achieve who we want, who we are deserve in my life. I think as if you are thinking, you can do everything and you must start something new in your life, because when we are doing something, we are motivating. When we are watching after few days, after few months, we are thinking what days and how we have spent that moment. We are remembering lot of glad we have to feel and be happy. So you must do and you can do everything. If you are thinking, you cannot think lot of us, you cannot do well from the people. My dear friends, everyone is learning watching of people. We are saying again at this talk and we already say of my next video. People are learning watching of people and they make better watching of people. लोगों को देख कर ही लोग बेहतर बनते हैं and lot of people precious watching of people, how they have to do and how they can do. जब तक आप कुछ करोगे नहीं, how you would know that what you can do and what you can achieve in your life, my dear friends. So you must start and you can do well in your life. Find yourself, what are you and what you can do. So I want to improve myself, I want to do well, I want to learn well, I want to increase of my confidence level, I want to speak fluently and confidently between of people. So I am making video at this purpose and I think that I will do well. Who do you want in my life? If you are thinking as for me, my dear friends, you must do and you can do. You can think lot of us. Instead cheating of people, instead I cannot do it, leave it. My dear friends, you have to need know lot of us and you can do well from the another people. You must know that. If you would say to me, my dear friends, how we can think and how we can grow of our confidence level, how we can grow of our communication, how we can increase our potential, my dear friends, how much you will give time, how much you will study book, and how much you will see of people as people who is something take changeness to you, जो लोग आप में परिवर्तन लाए. I think that you can find yourself. आप अपने आप को खोजना स्टार्ट कर देंगे when you will meet as people who is something better to you and who is provide to you positive label, who is provide to you ये different activity to increase your manner, your behavior in your life, my dear friends. You must know that at this time, and I hope you can do well and you can achieve something new in your life. You must start where are you and what you want to achieve. You can watch here book. I have to collect here when I have made time, be steady, and here I am showing of myself what am I. So thank you and love you lot of us. If you are watching to me, we need your support. Don't forget to press the bell icon and meet you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.